Welcome to Rabbet Home. I'm guessing you've landed on this video since you've just received your brand new 1004-20 cocktail table. First of all, thank you for your purchase, and more importantly, congratulations. You're only a few simple steps away from having your new table set up and ready to use. Let's get started. The assembly of this table is a breeze. Once you have opened the carton, spread the packing blanket that is provided onto the floor. You can use a workbench if you prefer, but just make sure it is sturdy and safe. Once your blanket is spread out, place the top and the shelf on the blanket, face side down. That means you should see 8 holes facing up on each of the ovals. Now let's attach the legs. There are 16 screws and 16 lock washers inside your hardware bag. Go ahead and place the lock washers onto each of the screws. The next part is very easy. Take one of the legs and turn it upside down. That will mean the short part of the pole will be facing the floor. Line up the holes in the leg bracket with the threaded inserts on the bottom side of the top. Take 2 of the screw and washer assemblies and gently twist them into place with your fingers. This should hold the leg in place enough for you to use the Allen wrench that was provided in the hardware bag to tighten down on the screws. Now, repeat this same process with the remaining 3 legs. That's great. You have all legs attached to the top. Again, repeat the same process to screw the legs to the shelf. Flip your table over. Now it's time to enjoy your new Rabbet Home cocktail table. Don't forget to share the love with your fur baby. You can use your packing blanket as a new bed for your best buddy. Rabbet Home, thanks you again. And have a wonderful day.